Here's your savory recipe for spicy shrimp and pineapple skewers. Make sure the shrimp are thawed. Cut off the bottom of the lemongrass. Remove the outer leaves and cut the stems into pieces. Or use 1 tablespoon of sliced jarred lemongrass. Add the lemongrass, the peeled and chopped ginger, garlic and salt in a mortar and pestle. Grind together until combined well. Zest the lemon and juice. Put the juice aside and grind the lemon rind with brown sugar and chili paste. Remove the paste from the mortar and mix with the soy sauce, oil, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice in a bowl to make a marinade. Peel the shrimp. And devein them, but leave the tail. Thread the shrimp and the pineapple onto the skewers. Pour the marinade over the shrimp. Cover and refrigerate for at least 45 minutes. In the meantime, light the grill. Remove shrimp skewers from the refrigerator. Grill in batches for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Turn regularly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your savory, spicy shrimp and pineapple skewers.